Hi guys, so I decided to do my project on optical instruments for my Physics 180B class. So I'm focusing on the most important and most common optical instrument, which is the eye. I chose to do and focus on that rather than a telescope or a camera because I feel like this is the most common and kind of the most important thing, most important optical instrument that would probably be the most useful for everyone to know about. So I'm going to go over kind of the anatomy of the eye to help understand how it works a little bit better for the optical instrument. So the iris controls how much light enters the eye, contracting as it gets brighter and opening as it gets lighter. That's why if you were to look into the sun, your eyeball, if you look at the pupil, it'll get smaller. And then if you were to go into a dark room, your pupils would look larger as it's trying to enter more light into the eyeball so you can see. Next, the lens is controlled by muscles that change focal points to focus on objects in varying distances. So your lens is kind of what determines what you can see and how you see everything based on distances and such. Incoming rays that go through the cornea hit the retina at the back of the eye, and this is where the image is captured, the image that you see things at. The fovea is the central vision you use while reading or focusing on a single point. So there are two conditions that can happen when, obviously we all have eyes. The two most common are nearsightedness and farsightedness. Nearsightedness, which is also known as myopia, which is the medical term, can be corrected using divergent lenses. These spread out light rays so that a focused image is formed at the right distance. The next is farsightedness, which is also known as hieropia, can be corrected using glasses with converging lenses that bring light rays closer together to form a clear image. So next, we're going to go over how to determine the magnifying power of a lens. So to find the magnifying power, you're going to use the equation M, which stands for magnifying power, equals the angle subtended by image divided by the angle subtended by object. So for example, if the angle that is subtended by the image is 6 degrees and the angle that is subtended by your eye is 2 degrees, the magnifying power would be 3 as you divide 6 degrees by 2 when using the equation. That's kind of all I have for the rest of the video. I hope you guys learned how to find the magnifying power of a lens, and let me know how you liked it.